Hello friends, thanks for customers trusting. Last month we get one order that includes the 6-size auto-feeding digital knife cutting machines. Now the machines all are ready. This machine is specialized in cutting the very soft materials like fabric, leather, film, and other related materials. It's equipped with one auto-feeding work table. It can feed the materials from back to forward automatically. So when walking, the label can only stand on the front of the machine to collect the cutting pieces it outing. Now please follow me to check the machine's working situations. Okay friends, if you also need the related digital knife cutting machines, welcome to contact me. I will offer the most suitable accessories according to your exact need. Hope we also have the opportunity to become the business partner. Okay, thank you.